In this video, we're gonna edit a PDF file using Microsoft Edge. So I right click on the PDF file and I click open with. So I could have chosen Adobe Acrobat DC, but in this case we're gonna pick Microsoft Edge. So once the PDF file is open, we have a few options. We can so this is the highlighter. You can select different color, and this is a draw tool. This is a pencil. Again, you can select different color, and then there is an eraser, and then some other options here you can translate the text and so on. So we pick the pencil, and we're building a house. So this is a very simple house. This is just so you see what you're able to do with the pencil tool. Now I erase the house, and we're gonna go and highlight the PDF. So again, this is all using Microsoft Edge. You don't need to use Adobe Acrobat Reader or the professional version. So for simple things like this, it's totally fine to use Microsoft Edge. So in this case here, we're gonna add text to the PDF. So I'm writing down a date, and then you see other options you can do. So if you click back again, you can still edit it. You can make the text smaller, you can make it bigger. And if you want, you can delete it as well. You can make the spaces between the words. You can increase that or decrease that. And then you have to remember to save it. Please subscribe.